Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. As you've noticed, today is not a scorcher of a day as we have experienced many days this month. It is, however, probably just as humid as it has been. Yesterday's high was 102. Today will likely come in the 80s. We have not seen the 80s since July, and it will be the first day where we have below average temperatures for the day this month. Now, I can tell you for the rest of the month, going all the way at least through the 29th, there are no 100-degree days in the forecast. We might around September 1st, 22nd, we'll get another rather large sort of similar weather pattern to what we had last week or earlier this week. And so September 1st or September 2nd could yield a day where it's 95 to about 100 degrees. All right, current drought index released today. The statistics were compiled on Tuesday. They were put together, and the maps were released or drawn up and then issued today. So this is what it looks like across East Texas. We have exceptional drought still in parts of Anderson County, Henderson County, Van Zandt, and Rains County. Then you have extreme drought in Smith and Gregg County, Wood, Upshur County, also parts of Marion, Harrison County, and then Titus, Morrison, Camp County are also included in that. And then you have just abnormally dry conditions or moderate drought over parts of Rusk County, eastern Cherokee County, and into Panola County. And then deep East Texas, it's severe drought from Shelby County back to Angelina County over toward Houston County. Now, the rainfall forecast in the next 5 to 7 days would erase a good portion of this, especially the areas that are just abnormally dry. That's if everything can play out to fruition the way it looks like it will be. Forecast fire danger going forward through tomorrow. This is something a little bit different here. I'll zoom in on East Texas. Look at this. Low fire danger in southern Angelina County and parts of San Augustine County and southeastern Nacogdoches County. Moderate fire danger, which has been pretty much the status quo here for about the last month over most of East Texas. So we have some rain chances. We're trying to moisten up the soil and trying to lower those wildfire dangers. All right, area lake levels. These are the latest area lake levels released today. Lake Bob Sandlin about 2 feet below average. Lake Fork, of course, remember they dropped the lake to do some construction. Now they're waiting for rainfall to recharge those water levels. So they're going to stay down here in that 6 to 7 feet below average level for quite some time. Lake Palestine's down about 2 feet. Lake of the Pines down about a foot. Toledo Bend, which has been down about 3 feet most of the summer, now 4.25 feet below average, and Lake Tyler at 2.25 feet below average. 10-day temperature trend, as we talked about, we have temperatures in the lower 90s through Saturday, upper 80s through Sunday, lower 80s early next week, and we never get back to 90 degrees in the next 7 to 10 days. We stay rather unsettled, lots of cloud cover, and rain chances are there. The average high is 95, so suddenly we're going to see temperatures dropping below average. And here's sort of the reason why. Umbrella cast for tomorrow is a 30% chance of rain. Saturday, it's a 30% chance of rain, but by Sunday, it's a 50 to 60% chance of rain. So let's go over future skycast. There will be a few isolated showers out there tomorrow morning. Friday afternoon, a few isolated showers across the area as we have this boundary just kind of wobbling back and forth. We will have this onshore flow coming up off of the Gulf of Mexico. That's abundant moisture, so scattered showers. A few thunderstorms are possible Saturday afternoon, about a 30% chance. But then look what's happening Sunday morning. So this whole area, this wave, is going to take until Tuesday to work its way across East Texas and into Louisiana and southern Arkansas. So the rain chances late in the weekend are popping up here to about a 60% chance Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And the rainfall totals, with all of that in mind, checking in anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of rainfall across East Texas. And as we take a look at the tropics, that's without any type of tropical influence. That is just moisture and fronts that will be hanging around. Taking a look at the eye on the tropics, it's this disturbance here that's moving into the Bay of Campeche. It is forecast to move right along the Mexican coast up to about South Texas. From there, it looks like it just kind of skirts the Texas coast, and it may just kind of brush by Houston and eventually end up into Louisiana. It looks like a rather disorganized system. There's just a 30% chance in the next 5 days of it becoming a named storm. So you don't expect it to become a named storm, but it would or should spread some rainfall along the Texas Gulf Coast all the way up to Louisiana. All right, tropical trends here. We are still approaching the peak of hurricane season. That'll be September 10th. And then, of course, the season ends in late November. So far, we've had just 3 named storms: Alex, Bonnie, and Colin. We're waiting for Danielle to be named, and that'll take, again, more than 5 days for sure. All right, tonight's forecast: near 70 under partly cloudy skies in our northern counties. Our central counties could have an isolated thunderstorm, for instance, around Palestine. Otherwise, low 70s under partly cloudy skies, deep East Texas. Maybe a scattered or isolated thunderstorm, overnight lows in the low 70s. Hour by hour tomorrow, it's an easterly wind most of the day, so the humidity will probably be right back where it is again. Highs back in the 90s tomorrow, and the rain chances right now sit at just about 30%. Mount Pleasant tomorrow, 90. Pittsburgh, 90. Around Longview, 91. 91 in Henderson, 91 at Jacksonville. Isolated thunderstorm possible. Palestine and Athens, 91 with an isolated thunderstorm possible. Deep East Texas could be a little warmer. Lufkin and Nacogdoches could make it up to around 93 to 95 degrees. Here's the Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. And as we take a look at that 10-day forecast, you're going to notice that we've got temperatures that are hovering in the lower 90s through most of the next 10 days. So Friday, it's a muggy, warm day with a morning low around 73, a 30% chance of rain, a southeast wind at about 5 to 10, and a high of 91. As we head into Saturday, we'll wake up with temperatures in the mid-70s. We'll have a south wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour, partly cloudy skies, isolated thunderstorms, and a high around 93. Thunderstorms return more abundantly on Sunday, but probably not until Sunday afternoon. So clouds will increase right around 90 for the high, morning low around 75. We're going to go with a 60% chance of rain on Sunday and a high of 89 degrees, south winds at 5 to 10. On Monday, widespread thunderstorms as the wave moves through the area. Morning lows will be around 73, afternoon highs in the lower 80s. One of the cooler days we've had going all the way back into June, so it's been quite some time since we've had a day this cool. Then on Tuesday morning around 73, Tuesday afternoon around 80. A 60% chance of rain, east-southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And our unsettled weather pattern will continue Thursday with scattered thunderstorms. Morning lows around 73 and daytime highs around 87. Then Friday, we're up to 88 with a 40% chance of rain and scattered thunderstorms in the forecast. And then over the weekend, you're looking at a few thunderstorms. Saturday, a high of 89, and maybe an isolated thunderstorm on Sunday with a 20% chance of rain and a high around 88. So after we get through the next couple of days of 90s, you're looking at highs generally in the upper 80s over the next 8 to 10 days. Pretty unusual, as the average high this time of the year is around 95, and suddenly we don't have a day that reaches average in the next 10 days, and we're going up through the end of August. As I said, maybe we get a little hotter as we start September, but for the time being, let's enjoy the break. Hopefully a little less humid air will come with it, and hopefully we'll get the forecast rain amounts that we're seeing. Have a great night, everyone.